Let's go.
Just got back from the liquor store. Open the bag. Open the purse. Oh wow, look at my skin. We glowing. We glowing. Look at these. Look at these beautiful flowers. Look at all those chickens. Kim's gonna make tacos. I'm gonna make tacos. I might be zooted right now. I think you are. I don't like.
What was I gonna say?
I don't know.
5 hours later.
I can't remember. So we were walking in the street looking for a liquor shop. And we go to one and it's closed and we're just like looking around and we're like on my phone like looking for another one. This guy goes,
I'm gonna walk to the right.
and then we found it. And we found it. Well, we found a few actually. Yeah, we found a few of them. But it took us like 3 liquor stores to actually find Amsterdam pink lemonade, which is kind of crazy because that's like a popular drink. But it's also limited, did you know that? No, I didn't. It's a limited drink.
Okay.
That explains it. Anyways, so we're gonna go back to my apartment. We're gonna back to the cribbo. We made it back to the apartment. The stairs, not it. But we're the muscle. Don't show my legs. Look at the muscle. Don't show my legs.
Bitch, I got the muscle. You wanna fight? I wanna tussle. No.
Anyway. Wait. Rabbit, it's Gabber. Time to have some fun. Kashmir go. It hurts so much. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. You're like SpongeBob.
I don't need it.
We are watching Drive with Ryan Gosling.
Who are you talking to?
The camera.
Who's the camera?
We're watching Drive. And
we're not watching Drive. Why are you gonna lie to the viewers?
We're in our own world right now, but regardless. So none of us know what's going on. She watched it before and she's like, I don't know anything right now. I can't describe the movie to you. I can't tell you why XYZ is happening. And I'm over here asking her questions and she's like, Kim.
Why would you think asking that question?
You like that little kid that that one.
Does it look like I know where I am right now? Honestly, I can't even tell you where my right leg is. What's up, vlog? We're watching some Everybody Hates Chris.
When you first become a teenager, you think it's cool to just be a teenager.
Kim's over here shuffling it up in the kitchen. I'm about to smell these beans. Oh yeah. It's gonna hit. We got some sweet potatoes.
This is my favorite vegan recipe. It's vegan tacos with some fried corn and not fried but like grilled up, and then some Trader Joe's soy miso, vegan pork.
Millie rock on any block.
Right now, we're walking.
She always got me walk. Let me tell y'all something. Every time Kim wants to go somewhere with me, she's like, oh, it's not far. This thing is fucking 31 minutes away. Has me walking mad miles. She always does this, and then she's like, if we pep our step. I don't want to pep my step. Pep your step. Who am I? Usain Bolt?
We're gonna chill at the park, eat some snacks, watch the sunset, come back home, order some Domino's.
I'm gonna have an asthma attack. That's what I'm gonna be doing at the park. New addiction. I'm really vibing right now.
We're at the skate park, skiing area.
Yeah, tell me to bring my board. I'm tired as hell right now.
So we're just gonna chill here, watch the skateboarders, and then go back home.
I'm not watching skateboarders. I'm looking at the view.
That too.
Bro, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? You keep doing that. Bro, the way Kim fucking made me sprint back to this apartment was not it. She always be doing this to me. But we're about to chill, vibe, watch some Moana.
Yeah. Disney Plus, baby.
So we're gonna have some stuff, bro.
So we got the Meat Lovers pizza with the brownie, marble cookie brownie. Best order ever.
I don't know about best.
That's my only order.
But yeah, I'm gonna head out. Leaving here zooted. Probably gonna have a good ass sleep when I get home.
For sure. So, I just woke up and I realized I did not end the vlog yesterday.
Y'all, look at my hair. I hate when I wake up and my scarf is like halfway down my head. Gotta keep your edges protected.
But anyways, so yeah, yesterday was really fun. I feel like my voice sounds crazy, but then again, it's 8 in the morning, so yesterday was really fun. I hung out with Stacey. I haven't seen Stacey in like 3 months, literally. And yeah, it was super chill. Went to the park, you know, we chilled at my place. We watched a bunch of TV shows and watched a movie, and we had some good times. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.